Where robots collaborate with people, AI-powered machines make choices, and data is used to improve every stage of the process. This is the future manufacturing floor, and it is made feasible by artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing the industrial business, and it will only become more crucial in the coming years. In this video, we'll look at how artificial intelligence is being utilized to improve productivity and automation on the manufacturing floor. So sit down, relax, and let's take a glimpse at manufacturing's future. AI in manufacturing, enhancing efficiency and automation on the factory floor. What exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, sometimes known as AI, refers to intelligent systems that can perform jobs and make judgments that would normally need human intellect. It entails employing algorithms and cutting-edge technology to teach machines to learn from data, identify patterns, reason, and solve problems. Machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics are all subfields of AI that strive to create intelligent computers that replicate or augment human skills. What are the applications of AI in manufacturing? You saw the brief explanation above and concluded that, while it all seems intriguing, except for robots, there doesn't appear to be much that can be immediately translated to production. However, as it turns out, AI has the potential to enhance a wide range of production processes, so let's have a look at some of them. Number 1. Automation and optimization of processes. Artificial intelligence is used to automate and optimize industrial processes, including manufacturing operations, material handling, and inventory management. AI systems may expedite activities, cut production times, minimize mistakes, and boost overall efficiency by integrating machine learning and robots. Number 2. Automation and robotics. Manufacturing is being transformed by AI-powered robotics and automation technologies. Intelligent robots outfitted with sensors and AI algorithms are capable of performing complicated tasks with accuracy and adapting to changing situations. Collaborative robots, known as cobots, operate with humans to improve productivity, provide safer working conditions, and enable jobs that need accuracy and strength. Number 3. Predictive upkeep. AI systems can forecast when a machine is likely to break or require repair by constantly tracking equipment performance and evaluating past data. Manufacturers can use predictive maintenance to schedule maintenance in advance, reducing unexpected downtime, optimizing maintenance resources, and increasing operational efficiency. Number 4. Detect identification and quality control. By evaluating data from sensors in real time and identifying abnormalities, AI systems for manufacturing play an important role in quality control. Machine learning algorithms can identify possible failures or flaws, allowing for early detection and resolution of problems. This assists producers in improving product quality, decreasing waste, and ensuring customer happiness. Number 5. Energy sustainability and effectiveness are also important considerations. AI assists manufacturers in increasing energy efficiency and sustainability by evaluating energy consumption trends, detecting waste areas, and recommending optimization techniques. AI contributes to sustainable production methods by improving energy use and lowering environmental impact. These application examples show AI's vast applicability in manufacturing, stressing its potential to improve productivity, quality, maintenance procedures, and overall industry competitiveness. How can manufacturers prepare for artificial intelligence? Companies can take one of these actions to prepare for AI applications in manufacturing. Number 1. Educate and raise awareness. Gain a thorough grasp of artificial intelligence technology, its abilities and prospective applications in the industrial business. Keep up to date on the latest trends, research, and best practices. Number 2. Evaluate organizational preparedness. Examine the company's present infrastructure, data management skills, and information technology systems. Before using AI, discover any gaps or limits that must be addressed. Examine the readily accessible and quality of data needed by AI systems. Number 3. Identify appropriate use cases. Determine particular areas inside industrial processes where AI may provide considerable benefits. Determine the pain points, difficulties, and opportunities that artificial intelligence may solve, such as automation of processes, quality control, predictive maintenance, and supply chain efficiency. Number 4. Create a data strategy. Data is an important component of AI. Create a plan for gathering, managing, and storing pertinent data. To enable AI algorithms, ensure data quality and accessibility. If necessary, look into data collaborations, sharing, or acquisition. Number 5. Invest in skills. AI adoption necessitates the use of qualified individuals. Employees with knowledge in AI, machine learning, data analytics, and similar subjects should be recruited or upskilled. Create a diverse team capable of designing, implementing, and sustaining artificial intelligence technologies. Number 6. Seek alliances or collaborations with AI professionals, technology providers, research institutes, or consultants. Use their skills to expedite AI adoption, validate ideas, and gain access to specialist knowledge. Number 7. Begin with pilot projects. Start with smaller-scale pilot projects to test and validate AI applications. Choose applications that have a high chance of success and can provide actual benefits. Learn from these pilots as you improve and refine your AI solutions. Number 8. Address ethical and security concerns. Recognize and address ethical concerns around AI development such as privacy, prejudice, and transparency. Implement safety precautions to secure sensitive data and maintain regulatory compliance. Number 9. Obtain executive support. Obtain senior management support and buy-in to push AI efforts. Communicate the AI value case, prospective advantages, and long-term vision. Appropriately allocate resources, funds, and timeframes. Number 10. Promote an innovative culture. Create an environment that supports experimenting, learning, and invention. Encouraging staff to embrace artificial intelligence technologies, cooperate, and provide ideas. Create a culture that encourages continual improvement and adapts to future AI trends. These stages assist industrial businesses in laying a solid basis for effective AI development and deployment, realizing the possibilities of AI-driven transformation and remaining relevant in a more intelligent and automated sector. AI for manufacturing may improve productivity and simplify operations by ensuring that all components of the manufacturing process operate at peak efficiency. While leaving your whole business to AI may not be the best solution for everyone, there are alternatives. Katana, a cloud manufacturing platform meant to interface easily with your preferred business tools, is one such alternative to QuickBooks Online, Shopify, and WooCommerce. Katana is a powerful manufacturing software solution for inventory, production scheduling, and other fulfillment management. It offers real-time visibility, an intuitive interface, and a user-friendly design, optimizing production processes, reducing lead times, and enhancing efficiency. It's a future in which robots collaborate with humans, AI-powered computers make choices, and data is used to improve every stage of the process. In the future, manufacturing will be more effective, productive, and safe. It's a future in which individualized things are manufactured to order, and it's a more sustainable future for the industrial industry. Sure, there will be difficulties ahead. Some occupations may be automated, and employees will need to retrain to work with AI-powered equipment. However, the potential benefits of artificial intelligence in manufacturing are considerable. Companies can create more productive, effective, and sustainable future for their enterprises by adopting AI. If you found this video helpful and want to know more interesting things like this, stay tuned. And for that, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos.